What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, loves? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome, guys, to my channel. Today, I'm really excited because I am embarking on a new journey. Ooh, girl, y'all pray for me. I'm always coming up with some stuff. But just to keep my mind off of work when I'm at home, I decided to start doing my own press-on nails. Y'all know that since COVID started, girl, I have been like scared to go to any nail salon or any place where there's a lot of people. So I've been wearing press-on nails that I get from Kiss, that I get from other brands. So I was watching some YouTube videos, and a lot of people are making their own press-on nails. So when I saw all of the stuff that you needed, I'm like, oh, girl, I think I could do that. So that's what I'm going to show you guys today. I'm going to show you some products that I purchased from Amazon. Now, all of them did not come in yet. We have some more arriving tomorrow as well as Friday. So that video will go out later on in the month. But I'm going to show you some products that I purchased so that you guys can see the process I'm going to be going through. I'm excited about this, guys. I'm going to start off just making them for myself, for my mom, my sister. Eventually, once I get better, I will put them in giveaways for you guys. And then when I really get good, I'm going to start selling them. So fingers crossed that your girl can keep this up and make it do what it do. So if you guys are interested in seeing my Amazon nail haul, stay right there, boo. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, loves. So I'm going to show you the stuff that I got from Amazon. I do have an Amazon storefront now. So all of these products will be linked down below in the Amazon storefront so that you guys can check them out and see. I will also have some other products that I purchased through Amazon and I've been loving, just so you guys can check it out. See if you like them. See if you want to order stuff. I am like an Amazon-aholic. I just cannot get enough, really. But it's not going to be a long video. I just want to show you really quick the things that I purchased. And like I said, when my other products come in tomorrow and Friday, we'll do another video for those, or I'll just add it to this one. I'm not sure yet. So yes, I want to give a shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. Now let's get to what y'all want to see, some nail stuff. All right, so it all came packaged in this big, huge box like this. I'm just going to pull the products out, put them on my table right here, and then I'm going to show you guys. And the first thing I picked up were these little nail stands right here. Watching all of the other videos, this is the main thing that they say that you need, because this is like a little stand to hold the nails in place. So it comes like this, and it also comes with like this little bar here. And it has little magnets on it. So you would stick one of these to the bar. You would also get this mounting putty that I got right here. Take a little piece of this, stick it right on there, and then stick your nail to this. Now, in place of this, you could also use the nail little sticker glues that come with the nails. You can also use that because that seems to work just as good as the putty, but I went with the putty and this little stand here. I did order the plastic stands as well. I'm gonna put a picture up so you guys can see. Just in case these didn't work out for me, I did order the other stand as well. So these two are a must right here to have when you're starting to do your own nails. Okay, so then I ordered, because y'all know I am super duper duper extra and my nails are gonna have some sort of bling on them. I got this little rhinestone kit right here, guys. I'm very excited for this little kit because I can make my nails all beautiful and blinged out. Oh, I cannot wait. Also came in the same little package as these little rhinestones right here. And these I'm very happy for because these will make your nails look super duper like sparkly and so expensive. So y'all know I love expensive but cheap. Wait. Cheap price, but expensive look. Yes, that's what I like. So I got these just to kind of bling my nails out. And I know my sister loves bling on her nails, so we will definitely be blinging her out as well. So So then I purchased this Beetles nail rhinestone glue kit right here. And this is just basically some glue to stick your rhinestones to your nails. That's what it looks like on the inside. It does come with 115 ml rhinestone glue and also 2 brushes. It's a brush on this end and the little dot things on this end. Let me take one out so you guys can see. So it's like a brush on this side, and then on this side it's the little dot thing that you would use to dot your nails or pick up your rhinestones with this one. And then also it comes with this wax pencil that you use to pick up the rhinestones as well. So yes, loves, I'm happy for this. I'm excited to create some really sparkly bougie nails. And all of these products are reasonably priced, guys. And like I said, I will link it down below for you all. Next thing I got is this EC Basket nails. These are the clear full cover press-on nails. Now, these did not come like in a little case. They came in these little baggies right here, and it's number 0 through 9. So I'm gonna open up one of these so that y'all can see the quality of the nail. All right, so this is one of the nails. It is clear. As you can see, it does have a little bit of a curve to it. I do like more of a straight nail, but we can make this one work. It's like that. It's just a nice clear nail. It does feel really thick. It goes on like that. It looks good, and it looks like it's ready for a polish, baby. So yes, I did get a bag of these, and I think it's like 500 that come in this pack, 500 nails. So I did order 2 more sets of nails, one that are the long coffin in clear, and then a natural colored one in the long coffin. So yes, I will show you guys those when they come in. Then we got this right here, which is the Edit Time nails right here. And these are like 430 nails in this pack, guys. When we open it up, that's how it looks. And then these are all of the nails that come in here. These are already colored nails. So with these, I'll probably do like a little bit of a design on it, a little rhinestone, a little, those little strips, the sparkly strips, or maybe even some foil wrap on these. So we have a variety of colors. They feel like really nice quality. Now they do not feel super thick or super expensive, but I think for what I need them for, they will work. I do like that they're on this little stick, because that way I could just measure off the nails that I want, pull them off, and boom, I have me a nice little set. And these would be easy for me just to pop on and go. And it also came with a fingernail file. Okay, so next product up is these here. And these are from Wakefulness, and these are also some nails that are pre-colored. Now, these are long nails. They come 4 in a pack. It's 100 nails per pack. So they came packaged like this. We have a blue pair here, the black pair, this mauve pair, and then this brown pair right there. I'm gonna take one nail out to show you guys, and I'm gonna do the same thing with these. Like I said, I know my sister loves long nails, so I was thinking of her and my cousin when I bought these, because I know that these are the type of nails that they normally wear. I unfortunately cannot wear these because of my job, but when I'm off for an extended time, I can. So these are very nice. They feel very thick on the end, and they are straight and long. Nice long coffin nail. Look at that. Gorgeous. I cannot wait to play with these. Really, I want to see how they look once you actually cut them down. Then we got this right here, which was like a little rhinestone kit. So it came with a lot of stuff, guys. It came with, let me show you, these little 3 rhinestone packs right here for some nice little design on your nails. Came with this, which is like a sticker for your nails. But this, I'm gonna have to read up on this because I don't know how this works. These two go together. So if you guys have any idea how these two work, please let me know, because I really don't know. I don't. It also came with some nail foil wraps right here that I'm very happy for. I love that type of design. We have these 4 dotting pencils right here. It's dual-sided right there, guys. So these are good for putting dots on, for picking up your rhinestones, for picking up your glitter, anything that you want to do, like as far as design of your nails. We also got these right here, which is like little like stripes, like strips that you would put like across the nail, or like, you know, just to help with design. You have a variety of colors. So this is also good, like little nail art, just to make it pop a little bit more. Let's see what else. We have this, which is just like some foil and miscellaneous like jewels in there. I love that. I don't know what this is for. I guess this is just kind of extra. It did come with a 15-piece brush set to help with the nail art, like with those nice long straight lines, a nice fan brush to help dust some of your glitter on, brushes to help maybe put adhesive on to spread on the nail. So I was happy when I saw that it came with a 15-piece brush set, because you cannot beat that deal. And then lastly, we got this in there as well, which is a nail drill. Now the box, that whole bundle was like 20 bucks. So I know this is not gonna be like super duper high quality, but it's good for what I need it for, which is just like a basic little nail job. So it comes with the nail, I guess you would call this like what, a nail file, nail drill. That's what it is. And it comes with the drill bits right here and the plug. So, I mean, I'm happy for this. 20 bucks for that whole kit. It's like, ooh, girl. And then I received this right here from Beetles. And this is the Brighten Your Style Gel Polish Kit right here. And this one is the fall kit. I'll put everything, like I said, down below, guys, so you can see. These are all gel polishes. This is a little application guide. And inside of here, it's like that. I did see good reviews on this. You get a base coat, top coat, and a matte top coat. And these are the polishes. They're very, very teeny tiny. I did see that on the review as well. This is what they look like. They're very little, guys, like teeny tiny. So yeah, that's what those look like. So we get 20 bottles of nail polish. So there we have it right there. And then right here. So yes, I will be doing swatches of these on my Instagram. So make sure that you follow me there, guys, for swatches that will be coming later on in the upcoming months. And last thing, so that's all that I got in this little nail haul for this time. Like I said, I have some more packages that's going to be arriving tomorrow and Friday. But I also wanted to show you guys this cuticle oil. It's from Cuscio. I received this one. It wasn't this one. It was a golden color one in BoxyCharm, and it spilled everywhere in my bag. So I had to buy a replacement, and this was like $4 on Amazon. And this is some, oh God, this works so good for my cuticles. But I will be making my own cuticle oil using my essential oils, and I will show you guys that as well. And I also purchased this a while back. This is some, this is like a little UV lamp to cure my nails with. It has the little times up here, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 99 seconds. So I'm very happy about that. That did come in handy. I have some other gel polishes that were sent to me a while back that I'm also going to use on the channel. If you guys give me 1 second, I'll be right back. I'm going to grab them and I can show you. Okay, so a while ago, a company called The Nail Addict reached out to me to ask me to send me some polishes so that I can show you guys on my channel. I never really got a chance to do it because I stopped doing polished nails and started buying nails that came with designs. But now that I'm going to be creating my own nails, I want to show you guys these. So this is The Nail Addict. They are in Los Angeles, and this shade right here is Sisters Before Misters right here, this beautiful color there. They also sent over Kiss Me Now, which is like a glittery, sparkly color. And I haven't even used these yet, so I'm excited to do that. This one is Wonderland. Then this one is Aqualicious. It's a nice blue. Love this one. And then I have their top coat. their remover and the base coat. So they did send these two. So I am very excited, guys, to get this nail journey on and popping. I'm excited to take you guys with me. So yes, let me know in the comments down below what you think about me doing press-on nails. Have you tried to make your own nails? I really want to know. I'm interested, guys. If you have any tips for me, please, please, please leave them down below. I love tips. I love tricks. I love easy ways. So let me know, guys. I will not be offended. Trust me. So I will see you guys in the comments and on my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Take care, guys. Be safe. I'll talk to you later. Bye.